is Hassan from HDFX and let's talk about IDFC Limited. Now in this chart, on the weekly perspective, at least on the big term, I think there's a triangle here. Okay, I know it actually looks a little bit ugly, I agree, and I may be wrong, but this is how I see it. Okay, and the end of the triangle is probably here, and after this we have an ABCX, and probably with this coronavirus situation we have the A wave, and as you know, we either will have a triangle or a flat. If we will have a flat here, okay, this is what matters for me. This is the wave A, and we need 618. Okay, we need this level. If it's a triangle that will broke higher, then the situation changes. And if, for example, we will have a triangle, that will be the end of wave A. And after this wave A is whatever this wave A is done, we definitely need a B wave. And also, in a triangle as big as this one, it would be better to have another retest here. This retest, yes, the retest came 2 times, but I would rather see one more, okay, then finally to move, not to finally move down, but maybe after this we need a wave B somewhere here, and maybe a flat with a C failure, and then go up. Okay, that can be the scenario as well. Now, what I like about this is something. This is some technique that I have learned many years ago, and something that I use it sometimes to myself to understand when I doubt my analysis. Okay, so I will show you. Look at this, the length of the waves. Okay, that's the important part. For example, look, this is the length of the D wave. Okay, this is the length of the D wave, and look, I will just take this and put it on E wave. It gives me the first wave. Okay, now there's no rule that says it will be like this, but I like when this is what we call a market geometry. Okay, this market geometry works in wonders. Okay, so sometimes you can make an educated guess of where this, for example, how would you know where this A wave this wave A will be finished here? Okay, well, this is one of the clues. Look, the same move. Okay, so I will put it here, yes, because this is the length of it. And if I take 161.8 out of this, in our example, it gives us the wave B. Now, of course, almost, okay? Now, or if you look at this wave C, this is the length of wave C, yes? If I take the fib level out of this and take the 50% of it, fib relation, that gives me my, wait, did I make a mistake? Because I did check this. Wait. Yes, this is the start. Okay. If I take, did I make mistake? Is it 38.2? Well, I think it's neither. Okay, maybe this is not good, but you can still say that these are levels that are close actually. But I thought it was 50%. Well, it's more or less, if you take this is the D wave. So, okay, more or less, you have the ideas, okay? Now, you should sometimes use this kind of market geometry approaches to further make your analysis work for you. Now, of course, if I want, I can add more stuff. Like what? Well, you can add your trend lines, such as, for example, here. Now look, when this market comes here, look where it comes. where if it doesn't go so fast, it will probably come somewhere around 618. And look, it means that this it came to 618 to this. Maybe you may think to yourself, maybe this is not a place to be long anymore. Okay, and look, if it goes up even, we can go even. And look, this is coming from the weekly chart. Okay, now look at this. Now just doing one um, just doing one trend line doesn't mean nothing, of course. But when they come all together, okay, if it comes whatever here, okay, I would not want to be long anymore. Okay, and let's change the color of this so that it doesn't confuse you guys. No, don't hesitate to dream. Okay, I think that's the very important thing about making analysis. Do not hesitate to dream. It's very important to dream. Now, if you can dream, then you can become more successful because you are ready to think outside the box. Don't just think, oh, it is. For example, you cannot just say, "Look, I want to show you one thing." Um, I just did a video about RSI. I edit RSI too. Now look, we are in the weekly chart. You may say, "Oh, look, when it comes to this, and it's overbought also." Now look, you have this trend line coming here. You have your 618, and you have your RSI will be overbought. Now look, that's the place that I personally wouldn't wanna be long anymore. Okay, but look, just because you have this, it doesn't mean that you will be successful. Now what? Look at this. Look, where did RSI give you this overbought level? Well, it was 41. Look where it did go. 115 is still overbought. Now look, okay. So just because it gives you overbought, it doesn't mean nothing, okay. But when everything comes in line, then bueno, okay. Well, thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one.